This is Phase 7, Week 3, the breath-based practice, the cooling breaths, in yoga called Satali Pranayama. These breathing practices cool the body and mind, moisturize the body, and reduce fatigue. They are lovely to do whenever you are stressed, agitated, or hot, especially on summer days. There are two options for the cooling breath: curling the sides of the tongue to create a straw-like shape, or keeping the upper and lower teeth together for those who cannot curl the tongue. For those curling the tongue, protrude the tongue out of the mouth about 3/4 of an inch. Both ways have a cooling effect. Begin by either curling the tongue or keeping the teeth together, lips apart. Inhale through this space. Bring the lips together and retract the tongue in, and exhale through the nose. Close your eyes as you explore this breathing practice to keep your awareness inwards. Repeat your inhalations with the lips apart and either protruding your curled tongue or inhaling through the teeth. Exhale with lips together. Repeat this practice for 2 to 3 minutes. Return to natural breathing and notice its effect.